Yeah, I write him a ticket about barbers every fucking day. No one cares.
Taunting.
I care.
Same. I want different hair color. God damn it. Fuck.
I thought I misheard you, but I did not.
Taunting.
Maybe I want a ponytail. Come on.
It's on
I
side.
killed myself because I'm retarded.
Go to lava.
Taunting.
Taunting.
Alright, Dan, do your work.
I
If
don't have
I'll
stun
start
for
on left
5,
if you take right.
but I can hodge this first one. Okay, I have stun. I'll stun these 3. Fucking light orb.
It'll be on me when it comes up.
I keep forgetting it takes a few seconds for them to spawn.
Smash. Running into 1 now.
Watch your step.
Leave it on me, Frank.
3, 2, 1.
Taunting.
Targeted. Flame soon.
Okay, now the dance.
Ready to
Watch your
dance.
step.
We got this.
Middle. Close. Far. Smash. And get the purple. Taunting. Seeds in 5,
4, 3,
2, run.
Watch your step.
That was a little late.
Taunting.
3, 2, 1. Smash. Targeted. Flame soon.
Oh fuck.
Watch your step.
Taunting. Far. Middle. Close. Far. Green.
47%.
Dot beeps.
Smash. 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. Move 1. Watch your step.
Those were late. Okay, cool. That works though. It's on Frank right now.
3, 2, 1.
Taunting. Taunting.
Okay.
Only one
Bring it.
live with mess, so we're good.
Watch your step.
Burn. Middle.
3,
Close. Middle. Far.
phase change.
I have 4 on my side.
It's a pretty even split.
Okay, dodge this first one. I'll stun these when they come in. Stunning now.
Ignore this one by the sun. Ignore this one by the sun.
This one.
Healing him.
Nice fucking hodge. My boy.
Ignore that moon. Ignore the moon. I did.
Done these guys?
Pleasing guy Yuku. Five seconds. Killing now. Boss will be on me. Flask? Or, shit. Hero.
Oh.
Smash.
Yeah.
Smash, and then it'll be dance after that.
Taunting.
Okay, Dan. Okay. Give me a little bit.
Watch your step.
Middle. Close.
2,
Far.
1.
Middle.
Look for meteor.
Meteor incoming. Knock it to the boss. Careful.
Meteor
who's in
on
front
you.
of you too when you do it.
Flame soon.
Let it go. I'm gonna knock it in a second.
And knock.
Knocked.
Watch your step.
Okay. Taunting.
3,
Close.
Meteor on you.
Middle. Close.
Nice. Perfect. Matt is way over here on the left.
Whoa. I had it.
Push, push, push. Push, push,
Watch your
push.
step.
Back. Close. Middle. Far. Boss is going under. Let that come out. Let that meteor come out.
Fantastic fucking job, though.
It's on me to start with.
Meteor on you.
Heroes, he is bound. Finish him.
Push, push, push.
Frost patch 1.
Is
Patches
that really
the
the
back.
frost
Okay.
patch? Okay.
Stack high.
Cloudburst.
Cloudburst is directly next to it. It's on Frank right now. Roots are going out.
Meteor on you.
Roots are over there. Got it.
Frost patch 2.
Top mer.
He hasn't cast yet.
Kite.
Call out if Dread Flame gets over there. I got a big patch over here.
Did we not do it?
Oh yeah, get back to the frost patch.
Could be on Frank right now. It's on Frank.
Call out dread flames if they get close to us and you notice it, guys. Matt,
Taunting.
great job on them so far.
Frost patch 3.
Dread flame tower left.
Roots are way the fuck back. Frank, do you got boots?
Dread
do.
flame tower left.
Okay, go. Do it now. Taunt, taunt, taunt. I have stopped attacking. He's rooted.
Stack high.
DPS.
High
Come
stack.
back to us, Frank.
New frost is coming up.
Frost is all the way over there. Be
Far
careful
side,
with
right
that.
between the trap.
It's on you, Frank. Just take it there.
We're looking good with dread flame over here. So far.
We potions.
Frost patch 4.
Taunting. It's all the way back where we
It's
were.
back where we were.
Roots are coming out. Right there.
It's a red in between.
Taunting.
Frank. Okay. I'll be taunting soon. Taunting now. Kill. I'm coming back. Best as I can. AMS is up. Leave it on me. I got ice bound up, Frank.
Frost patch 5.
Just kill. Just kill. Just kill. Good
Right.
job, guys.
Fucking go!
Well played, guys.
Yes!
Told you 5 were under.
We just needed a motherfucking warrior.
Mount drop.
Let's go! Holy shit, 397
Oh,
agility
shit.
trinket track. Let's go.
Yeah.